back with a new video. This is, sorry, not new. This is day. I lost count. I'm pretty sure. Sorry. This is. I think it's day 3 or 4 of trying to get an offer for my huge pixel cat. So let's see. Let me just rename my thing. This is what you should do, guys. Sub to me, please. So I always do this because if I put a pet on stand that has that thing, somebody reads the game, subscribe. Oh, I'm gonna sub to him. He's such a cool guy. He's my favorite YouTuber. You know, I wish that actually was true. But let me try. I'm pretty sure it's day. Okay, yeah, guys. Sorry, it's day 3. It's day 3. Trying to get a good offer for my huge. Sorry, I'm sick. For my huge pixel cat. So let's see if we can try to get an offer. So let's go straight to the trading puzzle. I don't think there's gonna really be anybody who's gonna have anybody's gonna have like a good offer in the regular world spawn. So yeah, let's see. Okay, no, it's I really don't have the best server luck. Bunch of servers, but this guy is a Titanic. Man, I wish he has like a train. Man, I wish. Bruh, how? How do you get so much huges? I wonder. How do you get so much huges? How do you get so much? How do you get so much huges? How? I'm so confused. I'm so confused. Where do you get a huge like that? Man, I wish. Okay, I was gonna trade around the people. Oh, this guy, like I saw. Just gonna trade. Trade, like. I don't know. Ice God. Man, I'm trying to get a trade. But I can't find this finally. Yeah. See what you got. Oh my god. I got my hardcore pets from Dark Matter. Oh my god. Okay, you need to add, buddy. By the way, if you're wondering why I changed my skin a bit, so this little shoulder pet could chill. I'm so lucky because I bought it for 50 Robux. I know it's quite a lot for this little shoulder pet. There was so much cooler stuff for like way smaller Robux. So now I saw it in the shop. It literally for the skins. It literally cost 99 Robux, and I got it for 50. Just go. Okay, I know what you want. You can Jizu. I want to trade Jizu. He's like AFK. Okay, now he's. How did you get so much huger? I've always wondered how people get them. I'm guessing it's either you spent Robux. There's no shot you got these huges. Then you put that I need for next one. Okay, I'm gonna get back to what I was actually doing. Start trading some people. I'm very dumb. No, you're not. You're smart. Pop tar. Rare 1, 2, 3. Rare. Well, that's not the best deal. Let's keep saying Zoro. I'm just gonna trade people with huges. I'm not like biased. I like people with huge, and I'm not biased that I like. Oh, I like people with huges. No, I just like anything. I just gotta know. Look, see, this guy could probably give a good offer. You gotta show. Can I? If I trade a random person and thinking they're poor, why would I want to trade them? I gotta know that like they can actually put up an offer from the past for that they have first. What they look, and then yeah, life nuts. Oh my god, sorry. I might be talking a bit bad. I am a bit sick. So if you don't really understand me, it's fine. I guess I might just create another video about this like bonus part 3 and bonus day 3 maybe. I don't know. Yeah. There's a good. There's no way someone's gonna trade these good pets for like just a pixel, a huge pixel cat. So I gotta see. I wish I was able to sign pass. Cause man, if I could, that would be good. Imagine I signed it. I'd be like, yo, what you got? I wish I could sign, really, and it pop up like a rainbow text. I really wish I could. Without further ado, let me go to another server. See if we can find some offers. Any server that like probably like that people are willing to offer for my huge, because my huge I know is not the best. Just a pixel cat. I got a pixel cat from what is it? Oh yeah, I remember now. I got a pixel cat from some guy got very much scammed. Um, I traded what was it? Oh yeah, I traded what is that a secret parrot thing? Yeah, it's called parrot. Dark matter. It's the normal and hardcore. I traded it for a huge pixel cat. I was like, some guy bought it for a huge pixel cat, and then with the huge pixel cat, I got a better deal with I mean, not a huge pixel cat, huge hacked cat. And then with a better deal, I got a huge pixel cat from the huge hacked cat, which I saw, and a huge pixel cat was worth a bit more than a huge hacked cat. Huge hacked cat was like 30 bill. Huge pixel cat was like 45. Pretty sure 40 bill, 45 bill. You can check me on that. I don't know. Yo, got some trades? Wanna off? I was gonna type it chat. Oh, I've trades to see. I'm so stupid. Yeah, oh my god. I freaking have trades there. Look, but why am I like? Okay. No, if I had a face cam, you could see my face. I could do Sigma. But my brother could do way better Sigma. My Sigma sucks. I'll pass on that. Sorry, no. I'm gonna pass on that. Yeah, see ya. Zach. Z-H. Oh, I wanted to sign my pets. I've always wanted to sign pet. Always wanted to sign pet. Please sign. Oh, boss. Actually, yeah. So I'm gonna get a sign pet. Good. Bruh. She's the newest Titanic. Oh my god, I didn't realize. She has the newest Titanic. Oh my god. By the way, that why did he cancel? Pretty sure he's trying to scam. How's he a partner? I always wanted to be a partner. I want to get that cool flame reward. I really don't have much rewards, but like 4. Especially the I forget what especially the hardest hoverboard. The cat hoverboard. You have to get it from completing all the masteries, and this one, I would say this one's the hardest. A doodle one in hardcore mode. The doodle world in hardcore mode. You have to get it, and then you get the thing. Man, it's so hard. Life is not easy anyway. No, I didn't even meet you. And he left because I meant to put on the huge. I put on the thing. I'm so freaking stupid. I just want people to offer. If I can't get enough offer, tell me. Somebody needs to help me, please. How to get an offer? How to get? Because I don't know. Because I'm gonna end the video right here. Honestly, what the hell just happened? Do I have to? Why am I like? I'm turning. Oh, let me go to settings. Show other pets. No, please. Okay, yeah, it's not lagging as much. If you're lagging with the guy who has like a trillion huges, just turn up. Yeah. Yeah, you gotta act, buddy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. You got Christmas. No, I'm joking. I have Christmas pets. And a lot of them too. Oh my god, you got the rooster. Oh my god. Oh my god, you get the pumpkin cat. Oh my god. Yeah, sorry, no. See you, buddy. Yeah, see you guys. Somebody needs to give me some tips. I don't know. This was day 3 over. I'm gonna make another video tomorrow on day 4. See you. Make sure you subscribe so you can see more videos like this. Bye guys. Have a good time. Have a great time. I don't know how to outro this. See ya. Bye.